Welcome to NUUO NVRsolo training. You are currently in the Live View interface section, and during this video we will present the Live View interface and its related functions. When you log into the Live View interface of the NUUO NVRsolo, the first thing you will see are the live video streams from the connected cameras. Here we have connected one camera and we call it Camera 1. Please note that the base license of NVRsolo NS1040 includes 4 channels, and that you can upgrade it to 6 or 8 channels. For more information, please refer to the license management video. During this video, please take a look at the right bottom part of the Live View interface. We will use NVRsolo's remote control to show you how to apply some of the functions from this interface. At the bottom part of the interface, you can see the status bar, which includes the various functions that NVRsolo provides. But before we introduce these functions, let's have a closer look at the camera setup. First, how to access the Auto Camera Setup feature. Press Auto Camera Setup. A window will pop up and show you the results of the Auto Camera Setup. Depending on the number of your available channels, the Auto Camera Setup function will add the found cameras automatically. Here we have 3 channels available, so it will add the 3 cameras listed. Then, click OK. Press the main menu button. Then go to the display menu and select Display Settings. From this page, you can see various tabs. Here you can select the layout that you want, ranging from a 1-channel layout to 8-channel layout. Here we chose a 2x2 display. You can also enable the auto scan and configure the dwell time. Here we opted for 5 seconds and enabled the fixed aspect ratio as well. To save your settings, click on Save. On the Camera Order tab, you can choose how you want to display your cameras. Here, as we have 4 cameras and we want to display camera 2 at the 4th position, we're going to select camera 2 and move it to the 4th position. Then click on Save to save your settings. From the Status Bar tab, you can decide to always show your status bar or to hide it automatically. You can also choose to display the IP address of your NVRsolo, the date and time by selecting Enable. The OSD tab is related to more advanced functions, which we won't go into in this video. For further information about them, please refer to the POS video. The last tab is the Resolution tab. By default, resolution mode is on automatic, but according to your needs, you can select different types of resolutions, as you can see right here. Click on Save after finishing your selections. Back to the Live View interface, let's see in details the status bar. The first button always indicates in which mode you are, Live View or Playback. Here, we're in the Live View mode. The second button corresponds to the Playback button. For more information on the Playback interface, please refer to the Playback interface video. The next button is the Menu button, which includes the main menu, the I/O panel, the Auto Camera Setup and Logout System. After that, you also have the Instant Playback button. By clicking on it, you can quickly check out what just happened. Now, click on the Live View button to go back to the corresponding interface. By clicking several times on the Layout button, you can get different layouts, as you can see here. The 2 following buttons are related to view management. The first one is the Auto Scan button, and the second one is the Group button. You can also get a snapshot of the live view displayed on your layout. The snapshots are available on one view and full views. To save them, you can use a USB flash drive. For more information on how to import a snapshot to a USB flash drive, please refer to Live View Interface Application of the Functions video. The 2 next buttons are related to the PTZ panel. The first one is the digital PTZ, while the other one is for the physical PTZ. We also have buttons corresponding to preset points. The first one allows us to add a preset point, while the second one allows us to jump rapidly to the preset points. The last button is the emergency recording button. When you press it, it will immediately trigger the Always Record mode for all cameras. Lastly, you can see the IP address of your NVRsolo, the date, and the time. As a reminder, from the settings display of the main menu, you can decide whether or not to display this information or to change its format. For further information on NUUO NVRsolo's live view interface and its related functions, please visit the NUUO website at www.nuuo.com.